From now on, your life is Mondo Burger. You can forget about your friends. You can forget about your family. You can forget about your friends. You can forget about your family. You can forget about your friends. You can forget about your fam. Because Kurt is now both your mother and your father. And your mother and your father. And your mother and your father. And your mother.
Kurt must look awfully strange.
Who said that? Who talked while Kurt was talking?
It was him. He uttered something.
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger, home of the Good Burger, home of the Burger, home of the Burger, Burger, home of the
Gas.
Burger, home of
Your mom's
Gas.
Can I take your order? Oh, a clock!
Miss, could I please order some food?
Oh, no problem.
I have.
That's it. 5 more seconds, I'm calling the manager. You think I'm kidding? 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2.
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger, home. Can I take your order?
Well, it's about time. Can I get 2 Mondo Burgers?
What's
Mondo
burger?
Just give me 2 Mondo Burgers.
Dude, I just can't give you 2
Mondo
burgers. You have to pay for them.
Can I get 2 burgers? Gay. Forget it. I've had it up to here with Good Burger. I can't wait for a Good Burger to open.
What's a Good Burger?
What does you think of my brother? Why would this man give us a test on the last day of school before summer starts? Well, I'm gonna tell you why. Because what's your hurry, my brother? What's your hurry, my brother?
My hurry is that it's now officially summer vacation, and yet I'm still looking at you.
You know, you're an amazing student. I mean, you sit there, you get used to this, you sit there, you get used to this, and you were concentrating so hard, I thought you were asleep. You were concentrating so hard. You in trouble with me, young man. You in trouble with me.
Listen, please! At you, nut on my eyes.
Because I'm worried about you.
I'm worried about you too. Have you seen yourself lately? You your shaft in a boot. You have a nice summer shaft.
Does she let you drive this while she's out of town?
No.
Get out the Get out Get out
Wow.
Great job.
My afro.
Why?
Brother Reed, you have up my afro. I hate to do this, young man. I hate to put a black man in jail, but I'm going to have to call the police.
Black man in jail. No, don't call the police. Don't call the police. No, please, don't. I'll get a summer job. blowing the whistle.
Watch your mouth, you pestiferous little shit.
Now, I'm familiar with the term maggot, but
You think you're fucking funny, don't you, bro? You know what, bro? Mondo Burger, bro. There are no comedians, bro. You mess with Kurt and you go on Grinder.
okay. Now this grinder of yours, is it a thing?
Rappers are some kind of a metaphor for that metaphor for that metaphor. A real grinder is some kind of a metaphor.
That's it. You're gone. Adios, TKO'd. Historical.
Wait. I won't be funny no more. See?
Check it, boys. Right back there. It's the re.
Hey, check it, Ed. It's the Mondo. Oh, well, nice to meet you, Mondo. I'm Ed. Huh?
Well, Ed. Today, Ed. I want to f your butt, man.
Okay.
I'm psyched to present to you people, Mondo Burger. I'm psyched to present to you people, Good Burger. And now, people, welcome to your mom's butt.